Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can employ login in Edward Jones. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.careers.edwardjones.com/profile/login. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply type in your username or email and type in the password of your account as well. So as you have a career profile, you can simply type in the credentials which you had made an account with and hit the sign in button right there. However, if you have forgotten your password, then simply hit the forgot password option and reset your password, which will then allow you to get logged in into your employee login in Edward Jones. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.